Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of RP Quick Bits. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can take screenshot by bot when our bot failed and send it to a required person. So let's get started. Before go into the depth of this bot, let me explain you a scenario. Suppose you are working on a project and in that project, your client ask you to send an email message whenever the bot fail, then what you do? So for this scenario, I have a solution. In this bot, I made this bot previously, and in this, what we are going to do, this is our use case, and what we are going to log into the chiacon.com site and then try to click on some task over there. But if the bot failed to click on that task, then it take the screenshot and send a mail to a required person. So how we can declare the which to whom we need to send the mail or not? For this, we have a config file in which we need to declare the name of the person or the address of the person to send the mail. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look about the take screenshot sequence. Let me open this sequence, and in this sequence, I take the take screenshot activity, and in here, bot just capture the screenshot where whenever the bot fails and store it into a folder named as screenshot folder. Or if the folder is not present, then create a folder with the name of screenshot folder and then save the file. Okay, so let me show you where the screenshot folder is. So for this bot, I just mentioned the screenshot folder in this bot file. Another sequence is about the send the mail message, mail of the taken screenshots. Okay, for this, let me explain you the sequence of this also. So in this sequence, the bot is going to read the config file. Okay, so let me show you the config file. Here is the config file where we need to mention all the email IDs. So here I just use my own email ID to show you the scenario. Okay, so here I just mentioned my name to whom I need to send the mail message. Okay, so and here we need to declare our the mail address and the mail subject is here and the mail body. Mail body the means what message we need to deliver with the mail, and the attachment path means which folder we are going to store that screenshots that need to be delivered with the as an attachment with the mail. Okay, so close this config file and come back to the studio. Here what we are doing do here we take the variables to get the values from the config file and delete the previous file. If we have previously run zip file, then we delete that zip file and create a new zip file for the new screenshots and send it along with the attachment to the required person. Okay, so this is our sequence. Hope you understand that. So now let me run this bot. I hit the run button. So our bot execution is completed. So let me show you if the email is sent or not. Okay, so this is the previous email. Let me delete this. Now a new email is going to send. Here we have a email from the bot. Okay, let me open this email and here what the message is, please find the attached file for the error screenshots. This message we declare in our config file, and let me open this file. Here you see one screenshot is present. So let open this file. So here we have a screenshot of Chiacon website. Okay, from where the bot is failed to click the scenario. Okay, so this is our bot, means how it works. Hope this help you in your project or in your development. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in our channel, and see you in next video. Till then, take care and happy automation.